Hey, what's up guys? So today I will be showing you 2 quick and easy and literally sweet gift ideas with items from the dollar store. These 2 projects literally take about 5 minutes and they look so cute and personalized. Let's get started. What you will need is candy, of course. I just have Kisses, Twix, Kit Kat, Snickers, all different kinds of candy, whatever you'd like. I have this really cute mason jar. It's a mini mason jar. I have some really pretty ribbon, and this ribbon is actually, looks like about 5/8 inches in width, and it's sheer and it has a shimmer, so it looks really pretty. This cute box, and if you can see, it says like Valentine's. It looks like a letter, so that's really cute. And there's the inside of it. Also have these, let me show you. I have these really cute shimmer hearts that are just like perfect decor. I have some tulle, and I just chose red tulle, but you can use whatever color tulle. You can even use like shimmer tulle. And then scissors and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. Alright, so this first really sweet and quick gift idea consists of a really cute box. As you can see, it says Valentine's Day on it. It's really cute. There's the inside of it. I have some red tulle, and you can definitely use shimmer tulle or whatever color tulle you'd like, and tons of candy bars. Also have these really pretty shimmer glitter hearts. And this is such a cute and simple gift idea, and all these items you can purchase at the dollar store, so you can essentially make this for about $5. What we're going to do, open the box. You're going to take your tulle, kind of fluff it up a little bit, make it all pretty and tulle-like. Just put it in there. Fluff it up with tulle like that. And since this is literally a sweet gift, what you can do is take like a Sharpie or a marker or whatever you'd like and write "Sweet on You" on the top. So that'll be really cute. So when they open the box, the first thing they'll see is the words that say "Sweet on You," and they'll see a ton of candy. So it's a play on words, and it's so cute and sweet. So we'll go ahead and get that written on the top of the box before we add all the candy. Alright, so just took a Sharpie and wrote "Sweet on You" on the top, which is just so cute and sweet. And we have the tulle here. Yep, so I'm just placing all of the tulle in the bottom. This is going to be my base. Again, you can use tissue paper, you can use Deco mesh, whatever you'd like. Just have a nice amount to make sure it's sturdy enough for your candy. And then I still want more of the tulle to show, so I'm just gonna add in a little extra tulle around the candy pieces. And a little more up front. Then I'm gonna add in some of the really pretty red glitter hearts. They're so cute. You can even hot glue some up top too. I think I'm going to hot glue one right up top. So I'll grab my glue gun. Okay, and just continue to place them throughout the box, in between. And this is such a simple but very cute and thoughtful gift idea. And did I mention you can do this for like $5? There it is. Very simple, sweet, cute, and just adorable. Now if you'd like, you can press all the candy down to where the box actually closes, but I think it just looks so sweet and adorable like this. And then as they eat the candy, you know, they can close the box, and here it is. So this is the perfect gift for anyone that you're sweet on this Valentine's Day. For the second really simple and sweet on you gift idea, you will need mason jar. And you can use a large mason jar if you'd like, but you're just going to need more kisses. I have ribbon. I believe this is 5/8 inch ribbon. Whatever color ribbon, style, and pattern you'd like. This is your chance to make it your own and personalize it to the person you're giving it to. These really pretty glitter shimmer hearts that are so cute. I have the pink Hershey's Kisses. And I have some tulle that I may or may not use. Alright, let's get started. So this one is so simple. What you're going to do, open the mason jar. Fill it with kisses, and of course some of the hearts. I'm actually going to start by putting a couple of the hearts in the bottom. Then I'm going to fill it with the kisses. Alright, so I have my jar full of kisses. Then I'm going to add in a few more of these cute little hearts. Just put the top on it. Now, what you can do, Dollar Tree does have Mod Podge and glitter, so if you'd like, you can Mod Podge this top and cover it completely with glitter. But what I'm going to do is use some ribbon, and I'm going to tie it in a cute little bow right in the front. And another thing with this tulle, you could, if you'd like, put the tulle on the bottom just to lift up the kisses a little bit. That's just another option if you'd like. But I like the hearts down at the bottom. Again, you can use tulle, deco mesh, tissue paper, whatever you'd like. This is just so adorable and really simple and sweet. Next, we are going to just make a really cute bow for the front. So, another option. You can tie it around the entire jar if you'd like, or you can just hot glue it to the top of the jar. With this one, I think I'm just going to make a cute little bow and hot glue it to the top. So, what I'm going to do, I have my ribbon, I just fold it like this, bring the other side and fold it down, and scrunch it, just like that. Just use ribbon, Chanel stem, or even twill. And I'm literally just tying it in a knot. Just like that. Cut another piece for the center if you want to cover the twill. Just like that. With a little hot glue. Alright, so the bow is done. So cute. Again, you can make this however you'd like. Alright, so I'm just going to hot glue that right to the front of the jar. Simple, cute, and adorable. You can even tie a little note to it and, you know, say something sweet. This jar of kisses, or sweet on you, or miss you, something like that. Be my Valentine. It's very cute. I have hearts and the kisses in there. It's just so simple and cute and sweet. Again, you can make this with items purchased at Dollar Tree for like just a few dollars. But that's it.